My band is still down, but it'll be done here soon. Just trying to keep calm. Taking deep breaths. And smell these oils. Oh my goodness. Smell these oils. These oils pet me. Is this in front? Who wants musk? Yes, the musk is in there. Oh, and it's a red burning oil too. Somebody asked me for a red burning oil, and this is red. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. That's island butter. I figured I'd try it. Let's see. Good, nice and light. It makes you feel like you're on the island. I mean, it really does. It does. But he wants musk. So here it is. And this, I think I'm gonna, because I'm traveling on my bike, I'm gonna put it like this. This way it doesn't fall out. And I think I wanna wear some of it too. Original Egyptian. The proper way. Here. Let me smooth it up and down. Yes. We're out of here.